Good day, it's your boy Betty at your man Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. Let's get to it.
Hey, Chief, we got us one, bro.
Already.
Just that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the people need that motivation.
Tenfold.
Everybody going through something, you know what I mean?
Okay, you guys, so in this video, it's going to be real short, and I mean real short. So in this video, I'm going to show you simply how to connect your domain name that's purchased through Godaddy to your Builderall website through the Cheetah platform. So this right here is going to be real quick. I actually have a client of mine who I just built this site for, and they actually just purchased their domain name from Godaddy. So the next step for me is to actually connect their domain name to my Cheetah Builder, their website right here, which as you can see it says Genie in a bottle. And I already went through the steps of adding the domain name that they actually purchased here. But just real quick, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the settings before you add a domain name, and I'm going to show you real fast how to connect. So let's say, for example, this Bassfield website right here, I don't have a domain connected to it. So when I click these three dots right here, here's the settings that come up. It's going to say connect domain. This is what you'll see when you press that button. Now, since I already connected it on the Genie in the Bottle website, when I press these three buttons, this is what you're actually going to see. So instead of saying connect domain, it says domain info. So if I was looking at that other website that I was just on and I put the domain name in that site, this would be the next page that pops up. So right here it shows the name server 1, name server 2. Now the next step is for us to go over to our Godaddy account, and I'm gonna guide you through on there how to connect these two name servers. Okay, you guys, so now I'm signed into my Godaddy back office. Now what I'm going to do is click right here at the top right where it has my name and the arrows right there. I'm going to press that down arrow, and where it says my products, and click on that. And I have a couple of websites that I purchased already and that I've already connected, but just for example purposes, I'm gonna click on one. So as you can see, I have 4 website domain names right here that I've purchased. I'm gonna click on this first one for my Talks Over Drinks talk show, that website, and what I'm gonna do is click on manage DNS. Now once when this loads, it's going to show the DNS records right here. So this is 1, this is 2. Now just to update that, if I wanted to have the other DNS, all I would have to do is click change, add those DNS servers, the 1 and the 2 there, and then click save. The save option will become available, and that would be it. Simple as that. That's how you connect your domain. And as I stated, on the Builderall platform, it can take up to 48 hours for the domain processing to actually take place. So give it that time frame and your domain will be connected to your Builderall website. Hope you guys enjoyed this video right here, and I think I kept it real short as promised. So hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day.